Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with our new clearance markdowns. Now keep in mind that these markdowns will begin starting on Tuesday, August the 8th. So first up, we have all of our summer barbecue items going down to 70% off. So here's a quick look at all the items that are included in this category. Now I do want to mention that I noticed during the clearance event that some stores were adding items into this category, such as the big bags of the freezer pops, but those technically aren't included, so they are not going to be ring up automatically 70% off. So what a lot of stores were doing during the clearance event is that they were manually adjusting those things down at the register. So you may get out there and find some additional items that stores are manually marking down, but again, that is just going to vary store to store. Alright guys, now next up we are going to go over the penny list for this week at Dollar General. Again, keep in mind that these items will not be marked down to a penny until Tuesday, August the 8th. And of course, our number one rule to penny shopping is that we never ever ask the Dollar General employees about penny items. All you have to do is go out to your local Dollar General stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If that item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright, and first up on our penny list for this week at Dollar General, we have the Father's Day novelty gift category. Those will be going down to a penny starting on Tuesday, August the 8th. Now here's a look at all of those items. Again, like I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because you just never know where you might find these items. Alright guys, now we are coming to the end of our Father's Day novelty gift category, But lucky for us, we have a huge penny list for this week and tons of food items. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else is included. We have the York peppermint patties, Warheads, Twizzlers, we have M&Ms, all kinds of good items. So while we are taking a look at these pictures, I do want to go ahead and mention a couple of things because these are food items. So number one, anytime we have food items set to penny out, I do want to mention that there is a very big possibility that we will have surprise pennies. So y'all make sure that you have those notifications turned on. I do have a huge list of food items that I will be checking first thing in the morning. So again, turn on those notifications and make sure that y'all stay tuned. Now, I also want to remind everybody that as with all food items, you want to make sure that you check the expiration date, because once you get up to the register, if an item is expired, the Dollar General employees do not have to sell it to you. They don't have to sell it to you for a penny. They don't have to sell it to you for $10, $100, whatever it may be. If that item is expired, they can definitely take it from you and throw it in the trash. So y'all keep that in mind, and like I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Check those end caps, the clearance section, and with these food items specifically, a lot of them came from the dollar aisle, aka Value Valley. Some stores have a specific $1 food aisle, or you might also find a lot of these candies up near the register because they are peg bags. So always check on the end caps where those little hooks are. And of course, make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. Now, we have almost made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your all's support so very much. I did take a couple days off from posting videos just because I've pretty much been posting for 15 or 16 days straight between the Walgreens event and then the Dollar General clearance event. I have basically had my phone in my hand 24/7 for half a month. So I decided to put the phone down for a couple of days and get caught up on a few things that we needed to do here at the house. So again, I appreciate you all so much for watching. I understand that this video is getting out there a lot later than I normally post, but again, I really do appreciate your all's support. So one last quick reminder, don't forget about those surprise pennies. Please check back with me first thing tomorrow morning. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.